What's up, YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I'm going to do a quick video on a case for the Galaxy Note 9. Got it from Amazon. We're going to check it out and see what it looks like. Okay, before we get started, let me tell you where you get it from. You can get it from Amazon. This is the Galaxy Note 9 case by JYIN. JYIN. I think that's JYIN. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but hey, we're going to go with it. 360-degree rotating ring, kickstand function, magnetic car mount, soft TPU cover, full protective anti-scratch holder grip for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now this is the navy color you see in the picture, but I have the silver. So they got different colors for it. $11.99. You can get it on Prime. Okay, we're gonna take this out of the wrapper. Pretty simple packaging. Send a little plastic wrapper here. Pull this out. And you got some more wrapping inside here. Nice, decent presentation, fashion case, professional case. Kind of give you some instructions there. Tell you about it, standard protection, lightweight. Okay, so here's the case outside of the wrapper. As you can see, it's got like a polycarbonate back, TPU rubber sides. It is two-piece. You can see right there, it comes apart, snaps back on. You got an opening for the charging port, S Pen, speaker, mic, and the 3.5mm headphone jack right there. Volume up and down rocker, Bixby button right here. Power button right there. Got a little symbol on there, you can see that. And you got the cutout for the camera. Not too thick, but it's going to protect the camera. And you got this right here, which is a ring that you can stick your finger in to sort of maneuver the device. All right, and it does rotate, so you can get it from any side. Also, and it's not flimsy, so it does stay in one place. You can use it as a kickstand if you wanted to as well. Now we'll see what it does inside the phone, but it can be used as a kickstand. Okay, and this can be clipped to a magnet if you have a magnet in your vent. Magnetic clip right here. All right, TPU inside, got a web pattern right there, but other than that, doesn't look too bulky, but it's going to add a little bit of bulk to your device, okay? But not a whole lot. Mic hole up top. All right, we're going to put this on the phone and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the Note 9. We're going to put it inside there. You just kind of put the bottom in, squeeze the top on, so a nice snug fit. Doesn't look too bulky when you put it on. You do have this piece right here on the back. You have to get used to that because that's kind of sticks out, but it offers a little bit of grip there. Reference point for your fingers. You can see the camera is going to be protected. It's got a little raised area right there, so it's not going to have any problem there. The S Pen, kind of deep in there, but you can get to it. Didn't have any problem. I don't even have any fingernails. No problem getting there. Mic. Your speaker, your mic, charging port, plenty of room there. And your 3.5mm headphone jack. A little tight, but you should be able to get a regular headphone jack in there. You got your mic, everything lines up there. And your power button. Let's see how that works. Okay, so that works pretty good. No problem there. Buttons pressed pretty well. Now, you see you put this in. You got good use of the ring. You can maneuver the device. Hold it pretty steadily with one hand. Now let's see how it plays with. So the kickstand works pretty good. You can even put it that way right there, and it still stands up. So that's pretty good, pretty sturdy. You just put it down as flat. Now we're going to see how this works with wireless charge because this might have an impact on it right there. So this might not work with wireless charge. We're going to check it out. Okay, let's check out the wireless charge. Don't think it's going to work, but we're going to check it out and see. Let's put it this way first. See what happens. Not going to get any charge there. This magnetic ring and this ring right here is going to prevent you from getting a charge. Nothing this way either. So you won't get any charge on this case. You can't use this with a wireless charger. But okay, so this is the port. That fits pretty well. This is actually an aftermarket charger, so it's kind of big, so it fits in there pretty well, no problem. So that's a quick look at the Galaxy Note 9 case by JYIN. It's the 360 rotating ring on the back, magnetic piece that can clip to your magnet on your car vent if you have one. Good protection, good cushion around the sides. It's a decent case. If you're looking for something inexpensive to take your device and get some good grip and hold your some more maneuverability with the ring in the back, this might be one for you, okay? I'll put the link in the description so you can get it if you want to. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.